Start the exercise.
Cossack squats. One of the best Cossack squats benefits is that it promotes healthy and strong joints and bones. This is achieved by giving your leg a significant stretch, especially at the ankle, knee, and hips. Regularly doing this exercise is a good way to enhance your bone density. This is essential to prevent injuries such as fractures.
Three, two, one. Rest. Ready for next exercise. Start the exercise.
Cocoons. Stronger muscles. The Cocoons exercise is a type of resistance training that can help you strengthen your core muscles. Can help with losing weight. Doing the Cocoons exercise likely requires more energy than your regular daily activities. Extra muscle mass also helps with burning more calories. Both of these aspects can help with I'm just your ghost if we're not undressed. A part of me wish that we never met, but you act like we never. Got too wasted in the bathroom of your parents' house.
3, 2, 1. Rest. Ready for next exercise. Start the exercise.
Glute Bridge. It works the hamstrings, lower back, abs, in addition to the glutes. With many of the benefits similar to that of a squat, another plus for the Glute Bridge is that it does not place any pressure on the lower back. This is also a great exercise for people who are unable to squat due to back, hip, or knee pain.
Almost there. Three, two, one. Rest. Ready for next exercise. Start the exercise.
High knees. High knees activate your quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, glutes, and hip flexors, helping improve muscular endurance, balance, and coordination in these muscles. When done at a high intensity and with bounding or explosive knee drives, they can also improve power in your lower body.
Halfway through. Three, two, one.